Here's a stock that actually came up on scans way back when it was around $7 a share. Back here on this day, and this day I believe came up on my hammer scans, and had no idea that it was going to do this. I only bring this chart up because I noticed on the monthly time frame it's a very bullish pattern forming. This is called a 3 advancing soldiers, which is very strong bullish price action. Fairly narrow range in relation to the next 2 candles, price expansion, volume confirmed to move, and now 1 day into the week we've already come up another almost 30% in 1 day for the monthly candle. This is a very, very strong move, and I will be keeping an eye on this going forward for any kind of pullbacks, maybe even momentum type of setups. The weekly candlesticks here are also very, very bullish. No reason to short here whatsoever. With this kind of movement, any kind of pullback to the 8-period moving average, either on the weekly time frame or in the daily time frame, is probably going to be bought. The breakout from today's open was a very strong move and could likely have some continuation going forward. I will be watching this tomorrow for some more strength, possible pullback into support somewhere. Several levels do come up just at a glance here, but I want to see them. I want to see the levels that correspond with other important lines or indicators that are on my chart here. So I'm going to go with some Fibonacci's from 1040 to 1140. It's only a $1 move, but this will help clarify a couple of things that would be worth keeping an eye on. Obviously, $11 stands out here. Next one down would be 1078. 1078 just because it's the next, it's 61.8. It's the next heavy support level. But with this kind of a move, it's probably not likely to pull back any more than this 38% line. So going forward here, I'm going to look for support. Supporting tree around 11. Will stop me below. And another key thing about these types of setups is when you have a big move, it brings a lot of other traders in there, a lot of other participants into the market, and will lead to either a very indecisive move or a considerable amount of momentum to go with it. There's really no point in even trading against this kind of a trend, this kind of a move. That's what happened with Dries, and people kept trying to short it, and it was the largest short squeeze in history. But anyways, this will be Blackberry, and going forward, that would be my first support level. Then I'll also be looking here around 1075-ish area. And like I said, this 8-period exponential on the daily time frame at 10 1/4, which is right around here. And put 8 and 8. I'll also keep an eye on that as well. And these types of moves can really get going in a hurry. The best possible setup I could see happening is tomorrow. We may get a little bit of indecision, stay at highs, at least in relation to this candle, and then on the day 3, get basically a 2-candle flag breakout for a measured move. And if that happens, I'll have another video, and we'll see what happens going forward. But this will be my plan tomorrow for Blackberry.